Want to run Manus AI directly on your computer instead of only in the browser? Here's how to download and install the Manus AI Desktop Agent step by step. Start by going to the official Manus Desktop download page. Manus Desktop download page. From there, choose the version that matches your operating system, such as Windows or macOS. After the installer finishes downloading, open the file and follow the installation instructions shown on your screen. Once installed, launch the Manus Desktop app and sign in with your Manus account credentials. After logging in, you can enable features like My Computer, which allows Manus to interact with local files, folders, and workflows directly from your desktop environment. Depending on your operating system, you may also need to approve permissions for file access and automation features before the setup is complete. Now you know how to download and install the Manus AI Desktop Agent and start using AI workflows directly on your computer.